minus cos c. Limit x tends to be 0. Cos d minus cos c. What is the formula? Can you tell me? Cosine d minus cosine c is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2, then sine c minus d by 2. Okay, this is the formula. So we can write here 2 sine c plus d. That means what? X plus bx by 2. Write down. At first we are going to write down bx plus ax. Bx plus ax by 2. Then sine bx minus ax by 2. I have just put into formula. Nothing else I have done here. Now you see, limit x tends to be 0. Here, what can be done here? This is 2 sine. X can be taken common, right? In this way, you see, b plus a by 2x. Okay, sine b minus a by 2x by x square. Important math, the most important math. Actually, I have done nothing. Now, can you let me know what is theta here? What is theta here?
So b plus a by 2x.
Once it is theta, again it is also theta, right? So we have two functions. So how to write, you see, suppose this is 2, suppose I can write down here at first. 2 into limit, you please try to understand. Pay attention here. 2 limit, here, what can be written? You see, b plus a by 2x tends to be 0. It is theta, right? So we can write here sine theta by theta. This is sine. What is theta? B plus a by 2. This is theta. Sine theta by theta. B plus a by 2x. You see what I have written. Sine theta by theta I have written. Okay. Into, write down again. Limit, this is theta, b minus a by 2x. B minus a by 2x, it is theta, tends to be 0. Okay. Into sine theta by theta. Sine theta, what is sine theta? B minus a by 2x. This is sine theta by theta. B minus a by 2x. Now, you try to understand, please, at first. You see, it is x square, x into x. So, x square is done. It is sine b plus a by 2x, sine b plus a by 2x, sine b minus a by 2x, sine b minus a by 2x. This x square, it is x square in the denominator. So, I mean, what else we have taken here? You see, in the denominator, we don't have this part. In the denominator, we also don't have this part. So actually, sorry, this part. So actually, this is to be vanished. How it can be vanished? Suppose if I write here, you see, if I write here into b plus a by 2 into b minus a by 2. Please try to understand. You are getting it or not? Suppose this is b plus a by 2, this is b plus a by 2 will be omitted, right? This is b minus a by 2, this is b minus a by 2 will be omitted. I told you x square, okay? Numerator is done. Denominator x square, no functioning on x. Now you see this part, I am going to mark it. This part has been vanished by taking this, So this will be omitted. It is in the denominator, wholly and fully in the denominator. It is wholly and fully in the numerator. Now again, this and this will be similarly omitted. Now you can write here a side note. Since, always you have to write it, since x tends to be 0, if x is 0, then b plus a by 2 into x tends to be 0 and b minus a by 2 x tends to be 0. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now we can write here 2 into, it is 1, and the last part is b square minus a square by 4. So can we calculate it? B square minus a square by 2. It is our required limit. That means required answer. So I think you have got it. Now, another math. Question number 5, you see, question number 5, limit x tends to be 0, cos 2x minus cos 3x. You can do it without my help, I know. Limit x tends to be 0, cosine 2x minus cosine 3x by x square. The similar math you did, that means limit x tends to be 0, let me know, cos d minus cos c. 2 sine 3 plus 2, 5x by 2, right? Then sine 3x minus 2x, x by 2. Now it is x square. Actually, we are done, you know. Here there are two functions. I told you write down 2 into limit. Here theta is 5x by 2. In this way, write down 5x by 2 tends to be 0. Then we are getting sine theta. This is sine theta by theta. This is sine theta by theta into limit x by 2 tends to be 0, x by 2. Again, write down sine theta by theta. It is sine, it is theta, it is theta. Sine theta by 2 into. Now we have to calculate. You see, I have just put into formula. Okay, now we have to calculate. How to calculate is that here sine 5x by 2, sine x by 2. The numerator is done. Here it is 2. The numerator is done. Now for the denominator, you see, it is x, it is x. So it is x square. We are done. It is 5 by 2. So how we can cancel that 5 by 2? Okay, take 5 by 2. It is 1 by 2. How can we cancel it? Take 1 by 2. Math is done. You see, this 5 by 2, this 5 by 2 can be omitted easily. You see, it is half, this half will be omitted. I think you get this point. 1 by half. How can it be cancelled? If I take another half. So this half and this half will be cancelled at a time. Am I right? So
Yes,
now you have got the answer. What will be your answer? Or what will be the limit? 2 into, that is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means what? 5 by, so it is our answer, okay? Now our math is done. Now we are going to the maths of different dimension. Okay, there is no similarity with this math. Total wholly and fully different dimension. Okay, pay attention. And other types of maths from limit. Have you copied it? Different type maths. Question number 9.1. You see, limit x tends to be pi by 2. Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Sec x minus tan x. This is the math. Okay, I told you not to be frightened of seeing the math. Very good, you calculate it. Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Okay, you did maths of x tends to be 0 or x tends to be infinity. But it is now pi by 2. So, okay, can you please let me know what is cos pi by 2? 0?
0.
So, can you please let me know what is sec pi by 2?
Infinity.
Right? If it is 90 degree, then sec 90 infinity. What is tan 90? Tan 90 is also infinity, right? So we cannot put the value. So what is to do? We have to express this into sine and cosine at first. You write down sec x equals to what? 1 by cosine x. But okay, sec x equals to what? 1 by cosine x. Tan x equals to what? Sin x by cosine x. Is it very easy and simple calculation? Now we are getting limit x tends to be pi by 2. Then let me know what will be here. One by cosine x into get LCM of cosine x, 1 minus sin x. Very easy and simple calculation. That means limit x tends to be pi by 2. Here we are getting the math like this. 1 minus sin x by cosine x, cosine square x. This have been multiplied here. Now you see, very easy and simple math. Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Okay, what can be written here? 1 minus sine x, and it is 1 minus sine square x. Cos square x means what? 1 minus sine square x. Now we are left with, can you please let me know? One minus sine x, and it is 1 plus sine x, right? A square minus b square formula, a plus b, a minus b. So a minus b from the numerator and a minus b from the denominator have been omitted. So we are left with 1 by 1 plus sine x. Now you see for the previous maths, okay, we converted all into formula. Now you see, if I put x equals to pi by 2 here, what we get? You see, 1 by 1 plus sine pi by 2. I have put the value. Because sine pi by 2 is not infinity. So 1 by 1 plus, it is 1. That means we are getting our answer as by half. Okay. It was also easy. The next math, number 2. Question 9(2). Limit x tends to be pi by 2, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, tan x. Who can do it? Write down. If you see anywhere in the math like this part, pi by 2 minus x or x minus pi by 2, then you have to write down, let x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. Can you please let me know what is the value of h here? Who can tell me what is the value of h?
Sir, 0 होगा.
Where, write down where you are right, h tends to be 0. That means if it is 0, then x equals to pi by 2. So we are getting here x tends to be pi by 2. I think you have got me. Suppose this is 0. Suppose this is 0. So are we getting x equals to pi by 2? That means x tends to be pi by 2. Is it? Now, from here we can write one thing, implies that pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, you see pi by 2 minus x is equal to what? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
I have found this value. Please try to understand this value. Okay, pi by 2 minus x equals to what? Minus h. Therefore, we get limit, write down limit. Now we don't have this math. It is omitted now. Now it will be implied. H tends to be 0. What is the value of pi by 2 minus x? Pi by 2 minus x equals to? Is it?
স্যার বোর্ড আনক্লিয়ার দেখাচ্ছে।
Are you sure?
ওই ক্লিয়ারই তো দেখাচ্ছে।
আমার জন্য ক্লিয়ার স্যার।
Okay.
প্রত্যাশার নেটের প্রবলেম।
It is wholly and fully clear. Now, please try to understand. I have just put the values here. Here you see it was 10x. What is the value of x? 10x. The value of x is pi by 2 plus h. I have put that value. Here you see what is the value of this part? Pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x equals to what? Minus h. I have written that. Okay? Talk to me. Now, this is our math. So, this minus, I'm going to write down minus limit h tends to be 0. Can you please calculate it? Which quadrant does it lie? And pi by 2 plus h, that means it is pi by 2 in this second quadrant, where tangent is negative. Am I right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Tangent is negative. So we can write here minus only 1 pi by 2. That is what? 1 is what? So tangent will be cotangent. Cotangent. Okay. Now you see minus minus plus, right? So limit h tends to be 0. We can write here. Can you write cot h means what? Tan h, right? Now you see, dear students, you write down here answer is 1. But how does it come? It is also a formula. You see what is the formula. Suppose our math is done, but I am going to show you how does it come. Suppose limit x tends to be 0, x by tan x. The same format, right? So can it be written like this? Is equal to, you see, limit x tends to be 0, 1 by tan x by x. Can it be written? This x now can be in the numerator. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, it can be written now 1 by limit x tends to be 0, tan x by x. What is the formula here? 1. So that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So from today onward, we will come to know that.
স্যার সাইড নোটটা কি দিতে হবে?
No. It's a formula. I told you. From how the formula has been introduced, that I am going to show you. You see that it is x by tan x. It is also 1. So it is
স্যার
also.
ওয়ানটাকে আনার জন্যই কি আমরা এই এইচ টেচ দিয়ে এত কাহিনী করলাম?
Yes, you are not required to show this. You write down directly. Okay, I am going to write down that formula. Please. I think you have copied it. You see the formula, then you will come to know. You see, write down the formula again. Limit theta tends to be 0, sin theta by theta 1 is equal to 1 by, no need to write down, limit theta tends to be 0, theta by sin theta. I think you have got it. Okay. Again, number 2, in the same way, we can write down here limit x tends to be 0, sin x by x is equal to 1 is equal to limit x tends to be 0, x by, sorry, here it is sin, it is tan, it will be tan, I'm sorry, it is tan. Here it is x by tan x. I think you have got it, and I showed you how does it come. Is it okay to all? Question number 3. Important math. Limit x tends to be pi by 2, 1 minus sin x by cosine x. 1 minus sin x by cosine x. Who can do it? This math can be done in 2 ways. Will I show both the ways or only one way?
The easiest way.
But you should know both the
স্যার
ways, okay?
আপনার যদি সময় থাকে আপনি দুইটাই দেখান।
Oh my god, what a language, huh? You see limit x tends to be pi by 2. One of the ways is you did. Can you please let me know? Cos square. Then what?
Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2.
Very good. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Then minus
Minus 2 cos x by 2 into sin x by 2.
okay. Now here it is. Write down cosine x, not a matter. Now we are getting actually limit x tends to be pi by 2. Here the formula is what? Cosine x by 2 plus sine x by 2 whole square, and here it is cos 2x. What is the cos theta formula?
So it's a minus
Formula
হবে
of
না?
cos theta. I am sorry. What is the formula of cos theta? Can you please let me know? Cos theta equals to what?
Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2.
Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So we are left with what? Please let me know. We are left with what? Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Here it is cosine x by 2 sine x by 2. Then minus will be omitted. It is cosine x by 2 plus sine x by 2. Then please can you tell me what is the value here? But I am not getting it. It is 0 written. What is the value of x equals to pi by 2, right? The answer is 0 here. Which one? And to see question number 3, the answer is 0. But we are not getting 0 here.
আচ্ছা স্যার 0 তো হবে।
How?
Cos 45 minus sin 45.
তো 0 আসে।
Oh my god, right you are. I am telling it is only.
স্যার জিরোই তো আছে।
Yes, so you're right. I am sorry because I am putting the value. Anyway, I'll not do it. I'll make it very easy again. X tends to be pi by 2. It is what? 1 minus tan x by 2. 1 plus tan x by 2. So pi by 2 means what? 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Pi by 2, that is tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 equals to what? 1. Or you could put the value here. Okay. It will be 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. It will be 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, right? Is it?
স্যার
And
ঠিক
there is another,
কথা।
there is another way. Do you like to see that, or it is okay? Because you have done all the maths of the same pattern.
স্যার ওই নিয়মটাও দেখান, মানে যেটা দেখাইতে চাচ্ছেন।
Okay. This is the another way to do maths. You see, I did not show it to you, but you did it in class 9 and 10. Limit x tends to be pi by 2, 1 minus sin x by cosine x. Okay. So what should we do? Can you please let me know? Let me know. What should we do? Which formula? I put it into formula, right? Can you please remember one thing? What you did in class 9 and 10? It is 1 minus sin x. So multiply it by what?
1 plus sin x.
You are right. It is cosine x. We multiply it by 1 plus sin x. Now you see, we are getting here what? Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Here it is 1 minus sin square x. And here it is cos x 1 plus sin x, right? Is it? Now, what we should do? Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Here 1 minus sin square x equals to cosine square x. And that is cosine x 1 plus sin x. So cosine x will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator. So limit x tends to be pi by 2. It is cosine x and it is 1 plus sin x. Now we put the value cosine pi by 2 by 1 plus sin pi by 2. I have put the value. So cosine pi by 2 is 0, 90 degrees 0. It is 1 plus 1. So answer is 0. This is the another way. Very easy and simple because you did a lot of math on this in class 9 by multiplying. Can you remember, please? Yes, you can remember hardly perhaps. Is it okay?
জি স্যার।
Now you see question number 10. 10.1. Limit x tends to be pi by 2. Limit x tends to be pi by 2. What should we do? Just let me know. Oh, by something is written by pi by 2 minus x. What I told you, if in any math you get this type of format, okay, then what will you do? What I told you, let write equal to by 2 plus h, where, am I right? Then we can write, therefore, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x equals to what? Pi by 2 minus x equals to what? Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think it is now easy for you. Now write down here. Therefore, limit, now it won't be carried out. Okay, our math is on this. So write down x tends to be 0. Okay. It is, say, what is x? X equals to what? Pi by 2 plus h. Pi by 2, right? Minus 10. Pi by 2. Talk to me. I have put the values only, nothing else I am going to do. What is pi by 2 minus x equal to? Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now calculate. I think you have copied it. Okay. Now let's calculate. So we are getting here limit h tends to 0. Here you see it is in the second quadrant. Please pay attention. Here the angle lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sec theta is negative. So it will be minus. And it is only 1 pi by 2. So secant will be cosecant. So we are left with cosecant. Is it? Here also tan theta is negative in the second quadrant. Only 1 pi by 2 is there. So 1 is what? Tangent will be cotangent. So this is minus, and we'll get another minus here. So it is positive. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now you can do it, calculate. Nothing is left but cosec is minus cot is. Now is it okay? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by minus 1. That's okay. Limit h tends to be 0. Here we can take, this can be taken like this. Cosec h equals to what? 1 by it is cot by sine. Okay.
So cos by sin over.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. It is cos by sine. Yeah. Now you please calculate it. Can you please calculate? Is equal to limit h tends to be 0. We are getting this 1 minus okay. Then what should be done? Limit you see 1 minus cos theta. What is the formula? 2
2 sine square theta by 2.
is it? Now what is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Please talk to me. You know that our math is done. Limit. It is 2 will be omitted. So we'll be left with am I right or am I right? Are you getting me? These
Yes,
two will be omitted. Sine will be omitted. We'll be left with only one sine is by 2, cos is by 2. That is tan is by 2, and this is in the it is in the denominator. Please try to understand. Now what should we do? Limit. Where is theta here? This is theta. So we can write here tan theta by theta. What is required here to vanish these two? Can you tell me?
Sir, half.
Sir, half.
Very good. Half. Half and half will be omitted. You have to write down. Tends to be 0. Is by 2 tends to be 0. So we are getting our answer as by math is done. Please try to understand. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 11. Limit theta tends to be by 2. Sec cube theta minus tan cube theta by tan theta. We can write here limit theta tends to be pi by 2. Let me know 1 by, right? It is am I right? It is I think up to this it's okay. Limit theta tends to be pi by 2. Can you please let me know? It is what? Cosine cube theta 1 minus sine cube theta, right? By sine theta into cos theta. Let me know. I think you have copied this line.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now, what should we do? Limit theta tends to be pi by 2. It is 1 minus sine cube theta cosine cube theta into cos theta by sine theta. Is it okay? Limit theta tends to be pi by 2. You see we are left here 1 minus sine cube theta by sine theta cos square theta. Just after calculation, cos theta will be omitted, so we'll be left with cos square theta in the denominator. Now I think all of you have come to know the next procedure. It is 1 minus sine cube theta. We can put here formula of a minus b into a minus b. Formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Right? A cube minus b cube. It is considered as a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now it is sine theta, and it is what? Cos square theta equals to what? 1 minus sine square theta. Am I right? And perhaps you have come to know that our math is about to be done. Is it okay? If you fail to copy, you just let me know. Then I'll wait. Limit theta tends to be pi by 2. 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta will be omitted. That means in this one plus sine theta plus sine square theta. So we are left with here sine theta. It's okay, not a matter. Sine theta we are left here. Here what is left? 1 plus sine theta. Talk to me, please. Theta equals to pi by 2, right? Pi by 2 means sine by 2 equals to what? 1. So I can now put the value. No another calculation will be here. Are you getting me? No another calculation will be there, because we can put the value. So it is 1 sine pi by 2, that is sine 90 degree. So that is sine 90 degree 1. It is a square. Write down sine pi by 2 1. Write down theta sine pi by 2 1. So we are getting 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 in the numerator. Here 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, that is 2. So we have got our answer. Is it? Dear students, are you there?
Sir,
Or you are not getting me?
sir.
জি স্যার।
Yes.
স্যার
Yes.
এই ম্যাথগুলো সলভ করতে যখন সিম্পলিফাই করতে করতে আর করা যাচ্ছে না, তখনই খালি ওই টেন্স টু বি
No,
যে
no.
ভ্যালুটা আছে ওটা পুট
No,
করব,
no,
তাই না?
not that. Exactly not that. You will see if I put pi by 2, does it exist or not? This is the question. Suppose it was cosine pi by 2. Suppose, I mean it was cos theta. So cosine pi by 2 is equals to what? 0. So something by 0 is undefined. So we cannot put the value. I think you have got it. Suppose you are given a math. Suppose you are given a math. We have done a lot of maths. Suppose you are given a math. X tends to be pi by 2. Suppose sine x. What is the answer? What will you do? Will you put into formula? Put 1 equals to answer 1. That's done. Okay. But yes, it can be put into formula. Sine theta equals to what? 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Is it? Very good. We see 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then what will be the answer? If x tends to be pi by 2?
1.
Is it? It is 2. It is 1 by root 2. It is 1 by root 2. So our answer is also 1. Same thing. Have you got it? When you will get a scope, you will put the values. Okay? From here, we can put another formula. Again, we can. But we will get the same answer. I think you have got my your answer, right? Now, again, the last pattern of the math, question number 12, the new dimension, totally. Maths of inverse. I think all of you have ideas on inverse. Tan inverse x by x. You see, if there was no inverse, then our answer would be what? 1, right? So in this math, what should we do? Suppose when you are a student of class 10, then what you did? Sine theta is equal to half. What you did? Can you please let me know? You write down sine theta equals to sine 30 degree. Please talk to me. Then you wrote there. You used to write, am I right or am I right? And many of you have a misconception. Here, sine and sine have been omitted. Many of you have this type of conception. That's called misconception. Okay, it is wholly and fully will be, I mean, omitted from your heart, from your mind. Don't practice it ever in your life. It is done. It is gone in your heart. Then what should we do? Yes. What should we do? Actually, what the math was? Sine theta is equal to half. Okay. Then theta equals to sine inverse. Yes, sine inverse half. Now, please, I never saw writing this in any copy because there was no application of inverse in 9-10 math book. Okay. I am in trigonometric function. I am telling about. No in mathematics, no in higher mathematics, but in function, exercise 1.2, you got some maths on inverse. That is function, algebraic function. Okay, anyway, you see, then I didn't see any students doing the math like this. What is half? Sine, can you please let me know? Sine 30 degree or pi by 6, whatever it is you write. Is it? Now, you know what comes after this. There is a formula that we really don't know. Sine inverse, write down formula. Sine inverse, sine x, answer is x. It is told it is positive 1, it is omitted. No, it is also not omitted. It is all another misconception. It is a formula and it is a proof. When I'll go for doing inverse function of trigonometry, then I'll prove it. Okay. Now you see, you are now getting 30 degree. This is the original way. Now, using this, we have to do some maths using this part. You see, what is that? Write down let. At first, you write down let. Tan inverse x equal to theta. Then what should be written? Tan theta is equal to x. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
It is nothing. What will you do? Just you will exchange this. Nothing else. And inverse won't be there. Okay. Now, since, write down, since x tends to be 0, write down, if x equals to 0, now please pay attention. If x equals to 0, then what's our tan inverse x? What's our tan inverse x? X is 0. Then we are getting tan inverse 0, right? Tan inverse 0 equals to what? Tan 0 equals to what? That means since x tends to be 0, we can write, therefore, theta tends to be 0. Talk to me, please, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we get the math like this, you see. Therefore, we are getting Therefore, limit, what should we write? X tends to be 0. Now it has been theta tends to be 0. Write down theta tends to be 0. Put the value. What is the value of tan inverse x? The value of tan inverse x is what? Theta. What is the value of x? The value of x is tan theta. I wrote today. Its answer is what? 1. Can you please remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are done. Very interesting math. Math is very easy, but there are a lot of items to understand. Another very tricky math I'm going to do. You see, question number 13. Limit as well, x tends to be 0. Sine x degree by x. I did not find any student in my life that she demanded, sir, limit theta tends to be 0, sine theta by theta. What's about theta? No one demanded. What is theta here? Who can tell me?
0 degree.
No. I am not telling about the value. What's about theta? That means definition of theta. Write down. It is always in radians. Please don't mistake anywhere in your life. But for the first time in the chapter limit, we are getting a math of x degree. Have you got it? Every math was only x. But for the first time in your life, you are facing a math on limit in degrees. Right? No math was done from limit in degrees. So what should we do? But I told you theta always would be in radians. What I told you? Theta always will be in radian. Theta will be in radian, right? I told you. Very good. So you see, dear students, we know 180 degree equals to what? Can you please tell me? Pi. You have to talk to me. Pi radian. 1 degree equals to what? Pi by 180 radian. Is it? Now, what is x degree? X degree equals to what? You write down the side note here. In the exam hall, you have to write this. You have to write this as side note. So what should be written now? You see, limit x tends to be 0. Now let me know what is sine x degree. Sine x degree pi by x by 180. What is x? What is x? Let me know. What can be put for x here? Talk to me.
So pi by
What
180.
would no degree here, so it will be as it is. I think you have got me. This x in radians, no degree here. Are you getting me? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who is
sir.
taking screenshot? Huh?
Swami.
Okay. So no degree is there. Okay. So it will be x will be kept as it is. Okay. In class 9-10, you did a math. Can you please remember? you did a math like this. It is 11 centimeter and it is 7 centimeters. What the angle here? We know, you see, S equals to R theta. So theta equals to what? Talk to me, please. You did this math, but you did not give emphasis. S by R. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Equals to what? S equals to what? 11 centimeter and it is 7 centimeter. Is it? Now you see centimeter will be omitted from both the numerator and denominator. So you are left to it theta equals to what? 11 by 7. Am I right? I am not wrong. But what is meant by this? It is radian. Nothing is given, that means it is radian. So nothing is given here, that means it is radian. Please talk to me. Now, if we multiply 11 by 7, if we want to express it into degrees, what will be there? 180 degree by pi, because 1 radian equals to 180 degree by pi. Okay. Now, can you please calculate, any of you? Can you please calculate, any of you? Please talk to me. 90 degree, approximately 90 degree. Approximately. Okay. But if we calculate it, we'll get 1.57 radian. That means we have come to know 1.57 radian is equal to 90 degree. You have a lot of maths on this, what I am going to show you on exercise 6.1. You have a lot of maths on this, only on this. A lot of maths are to be done in 6.1. Only this, only on this. So you see 11 by 7 radian, okay, equals to 1.57 radian. It is 90 degree. That means one right angle equals to 1.57 radian. Now, please try to understand. If it is twice, you see 11 centimeter, okay? There is a ratio, you know, 22:7, very near. It is circumference and it is diameter. Double of 11 is 22. So there is a combination here. Okay, anyway, let's drop the matter. Okay, so what is to do here is equal to limit x tends to be 0. Okay, I am not going to write down. What is theta here? Let me know at first. What is theta here? Theta is pi by x by, talk to me, 180 tends to be 0. Theta is pi by x by 180, theta. So we can write here sine theta. This is sine, it is theta, pi by x by 180. It is sine theta by theta, pi by x by 180. So we are getting sine theta by theta, right? Now you see here in the denominator there is x, here also x, pi by 180. That means what? Here it is pi by 180. Talk to me. This pi by 180 and this pi by 180 will be omitted. And you have to give here side note, since x tends to be 0, therefore pi by x by 180 tends to be 0. x0 means everything is 0 with x. So what is the answer now? Let me know. It is wholly
Pi
and
by
fully
180.
1. So we are getting answer pi by 180. Not degree. Just this is the answer. No radian, no degree. It is okay? Another math, question number 14. Question number 14.1. X tends to be y, sin x minus sin y, limit.
স্যার এটার
X.
পর আর করায়েন না।
Just wait, I am left with only two maths. Sin x minus sin y by x minus y. Okay, do it. Very easy and simple math in your life. Okay, let me know. Limit x tends to be y, sin c minus sin d. What is the formula? 2 cosine c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now you may be puzzled. So how is that? Here theta is x plus y. We don't have any x plus y. Oh my god, then what is to be done? Don't be afraid of. Because we don't have any formula on cosine. So you keep it as it is. Write down 2 into limit x tends to be y, cosine x plus y by 2 into limit x minus y by 2 tends to be 0. I am going to show is sin theta by theta. I am not done yet. Please let me know what is happening here.
Into half.
It is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. Now please try to understand what I have done here. You see, we don't have any formula on cosine. Very good. Okay, it is no 0 here. Okay, it's okay. This 2 has been taken here. Limit x tends to be y is okay. Cosine part has been kept as it is. Now we can put into formula sin theta by theta. Very good. Now sin theta by theta is okay. There is no 2 here. It is half. I have taken half. What the side note can be given here? Can you please let me know what the side note can be given here? I am writing here. X tends to be y. What is meant by this? Can you please tell me? It x minus y tends to be 0. Am I right? If I take y in the left hand side, does it come? Yes. If x minus y tends to be 0, that means x minus y by 2 also tends to be 0. This is the side note. Now we can write here x minus y by 2 tends to be 0. For this we can write. Now it is theta, sin theta by theta. Now you see, it is 2. Very good. You put x equals to y, you will get cosine x equals to y. So 2y by 2 into, it is 1. Very good. And it is half. Talk to me. This 2 will be omitted. 2 will be omitted. So we are left with only cosine y. This is our answer. Is there anyone here who has failed to understand? Now we are left with only one math. I will take 2 minutes to do that math. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now the last math of limit. You see,
স্যার এটা করলেই লিমিট শেষ?
it is done by some formula, and we have some function, continuous function and discontinuous function. We have some maths on this and some formula. I tried my level best to do. If you give me only half an hour, then I could finish this. Anyway, not a matter. Next day, I will just from the very beginning, I'll show you the proof of the formula as well as function, continuous and discontinuous, and I will finish exercise 9B of calculus. 9B of calculus. Okay, it will take only 20 minutes to finish this exercise. Only one formula. Dear students, from the calculus, I gave you a lot of formula, right? So you will memorize all the formula d by dx. Okay, that is called differentiation, not integration, not this sign. d by
আমি তো
dx.
বুঝি না কিছু
Okay, differentiation. I'll make you understand. You just try to
স্যার
understand because
ফিজিক্সে পড়েছি
yes, you're right. Okay, after doing calculus and vectors, okay, and trigonometry, your physics and maths will be so easier that you, the students, will get full marks and others will just count the number of blades of the fan. (14.2)
আচ্ছা
limit.
স্যার
Yes.
ফ্যানের জায়গায় যদি এসি থাকে তাইলে ব্লেড কেমনে গুনবে
You're right. Then
স্যার এসিরও
You-
ব্লেড থাকে স্যার তিনটা
you're
বা
right
দুইটা
also. Then Zumana will set up a fan. Okay, the same math. Can you do it? The last math of limit. What should be done here? Please tell me. X tends to be y. Then what should we do? Let me know. Sin x by cosine x minus sin y by minus sin y by cosine y. Am I right? Talk to me. Limit x tends to be y. It will be sin x cosine y minus cosine x sin y. The LCM will be here. It is x minus y will be kept as it is. Cosine x cosine y. Actually, I have skipped online. Talk to me. I have had the LCM in the numerator. Cos x cos y. It is in the denominator. Okay, it's in the denominator. Is it okay or not? Talk to me.
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see now. We are getting here limit x tends to be y. Here the formula is, let me know, sin of x minus y. Here we are getting x minus y cosine x cosine y. Am I right? Even you are done. How you are done, you see. Limit x minus y tends to be 0. X tends to be y. That means x minus y tends to be 0. Sin theta by theta. Okay. It is theta. X minus y belongs to 0. It is theta. X minus y. X minus y. X minus y. Into limit x tends to be y 1 by cosine x cosine y. The side note is x tends to be 0 means x minus y tends to be 0. This is a side note. Now you see this is wholly and fully 1. We are getting 1 here. And cosine x, you put the value here. X equals to y. X equals to y. So cos y into cos y. So it is what? 1 by cos square y. That means what? Sec square y. Our math is done and